Hi, Chris here. Today's video will be short because the device is very simple. This is the IKEA PARASOLL sensor. It works on one AAA battery. As shown on the box, it can turn on lights when you open a door or window. Let's open it up. Inside there's the sensor, the magnet part. So what does it do? It senses when both parts move apart. Simple but powerful. You can automate many things. Turn on a light, check if a door or window is open, trigger alerts in your smart home, or automate things. It works both ways, when something opens or closes. And yes, it works with Apple Home. So you can set the silent alert, maybe when someone opens your secret snack drawer. The lines on the side show how to align the parts. As long as they line up, you are good. You can even stick it inside your mailbox maybe. You will know the second something is delivered. Just don't forget to test it after mounting. Build quality? Great, like other IKEA smart home devices. Ease of use? Super simple. This small sensor has many smart uses. Let me know in the comments how you would use it. Fun or functional? Thanks for watching, and next week we'll check out the IKEA water leak sensor. See you then!